If you're interested in the Pixel Fold, you might like that it has a big battery with 4821 mAh that can keep the phone running for a good while. Google's tests showed that the device could work for about 33 hours before it needed to be charged. Still, it's important to remember that the Pixel Fold needs a fast, high-quality charger to charge its battery. We've put together a list of the top 5 chargers that work with the Google Pixel Fold to help you choose the best one. Let's look at them. Started with our list, let's meet Spigen 27-watt wall charger, another great option to consider for your Google Pixel Fold. This charger boasts 3D PCB technology that makes it smaller than typical 20-watt stock charger. With its diminutive size, it saves valuable space and does not interfere with other chargers that may be plugged into your power strip or wall outlet. On top of that, it minimizes ripple noise while charging, providing your device with stable power that prevents any damage during the charging process. So, you can risk to show that your precious Google Pixel phone is in safe hands. It also offers fast charging for the iPhone 14 and 13 series and for Samsung Galaxy users. The chargers deliver 25-watt PPS charging that's sure to leave your device fully charged in a jiffy. Overall, the Spigen 27-watt wall charger is the best one at an affordable price. As you know, the Google Pixel Fold has a big battery to charge, but don't worry about slow charging time as the UGREEN Ace Cube charger will get you covered. With its 30-watt PD fast charging capability, this charger will have a Google Fold battery fully charged in no time. Thanks to its GaN chip, it's not only powerful but also compact. In fact, it's more than the original 30-watt USB-C charger, making it the perfect travel companion. Safety is also prioritized here, since it uses new millivolt precision charging technology, which provides a safer charging experience for your battery. You can trust that your device will be protected while it charges. But that's not all, it can also charge other devices. For instance, it can charge the Google Pixel 7 Pro from 0 to 45% in just 30 minutes, and the iPhone 14 Pro Max at full speed from 0 to 55 within the same time frame. So, experience the convenience, efficiency, and safety of the new UGREEN Ace Cube, an elevator charging game today. Looking for a stylish charger that can keep up with the Google Pixel Fold? Look no further than the VaultMe Revo. This powerhouse charger is built with the GaN 3 technology, which means it can charge your devices up to 3 times faster than traditional silicone chargers. With its 30-watt USB-C part delivery port, the VaultMe Revo can charge a Google Pixel phone faster than ever before. And let's not forget about its dual ports, since you can even charge 2 devices at once. So, you never have to choose between charging a phone or your tablet. And safety, it's also top-notch. The charger features short-circuit over voltage and overheating protection, so you can charge devices with confidence knowing that they're always charging safely. In short, it's an ideal choice for anyone who wants to stay connected and charged up, no matter where life takes them. Next, we have the Beseus USB-C wall charger, the charging solution you've been looking for to power up your Google Pixel Fold and other devices. This versatile charger boasts dual-port fast charging capabilities, allowing you to charge up to 2 devices simultaneously. With an 18-watt USB-C port and a 12-watt USB-A port, you can keep your everyday carry fully charged, no matter where you are. Moreover, it also features genuine 30-watt PD fast charging, which means it can charge your iPhone 14 Pro Max up to 60% in just 30 minutes. And with trickle charging technology and Beseus' self-developed Super C chip, this USB wall charger will protect your battery from overcharging and overheating, giving you a safe and reliable charging experience every time. Whether you have an iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, or of course a Google Pixel Fold, this charger can handle them all. So, why settle for a typical charging experience when you can have the best? Last of our list, I ask you, why use a bulky charger that takes up too much space? That's where the Anker Nano 3 comes in. This tiny charger packs a powerful punch, thanks to its GaN technology, which allows it to fit 30 watts of power into a charger. That's just 1.12 inches thick than an original 30-watt charger. And the best part, the Anker Nano 3 can charge everything from a Pixel Fold to your earbuds, and even your MacBook Air. In addition, with Anker's Active Shield 2.0, your devices are intelligently monitored for temperature over 3 million times per day. That's twice as often as an Active Shield 1.0. So, you can charge devices with confidence, knowing that they're protected from overheating and other potential hazards. All in all, the Anker Nano 3 is worth buying if the small farm factory durability is a top priority. So that's just about the best 5 chargers for the Google Pixel Fold. Which item do you want to buy? We'd be happy to hear from you. Please let us know, and thanks for watching the video as always. If you think this video is helpful, like it, leave a review, and send it to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this in your feed.